Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video, we are going to learn a super special letter. Can you guess which one? Yes, it's the letter A. It's a big A and it's a small A. Kids, do you know how A sound? A. A. The letter A makes the A sound like an apple. Can you say A with me? A. A. Now let's try some more words with the A sound. A is for apple. A. A. Apple. A is for ant. A. A. Ant. A is for axe. A. A. Axe. Great job! You are learning so fast. Now we are going to learn a phonics sound of guess. Yes, we are going to learn a phonics sound of letter B. 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 Ball. B. 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 Bell. B. B. Bus. Bus. B is for ball. B is for bell. B is for bus. B is for bee. Today we are going to learn about the letter. Guess what? Yes, letter C. So are you excited? It's a capital C and it's a small c. C. Kids, do you know this is the letter C and make the sound K. K. Can you say K? Good job. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter C. K. K. Cat. 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 Cake. Cake. Cat. Cat. Clock. Clock. Cat. Cat. Clone. Clone. C is for cat. C is for cake. C is for clock. C is for clown. We are going to learn about the letter D. D. It's a capital D and it's a small d. Kids, do you know how D sound? Yes, D sound as a D. 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 Dog. Dog. D is for dog. D. D. Door. Door. D is for door. D. D. Drum. Drum. D is for drum. D. D. Duck. Duck. D is for duck.
Thank you for watching. To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.